Hey, are you looking for the best Aliexpress Bluetooth earphones? I have fixed the top 5 best Aliexpress earphones for their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links of the earphones are in the description, below the video. Subscribe on my channel, and click on the bell, to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So let's enjoy this video. In at number 5, the best earbud is Haylou T15 Truly Wireless Earbuds. It is built in a beautiful design. It is provided with a bionic design. It is provided with Bluetooth 5.0 true wireless system. It is able to respond 3 times faster than ordinary wireless earbuds. You will be able to enjoy stable quality music with these amazing earbuds. It is provided with 60 hours long battery life. It can even charge mobile phones because it is provided with a 2200 mAh large capacity battery. It is also provided with a real-time power display. You can easily check the remaining energy. It is also provided with double panel structures intelligent noise reduction. That means it will reduce the noise and you will be able to enjoy music without annoying noises around. You will be able to enjoy the high-definition sound quality. It supports game mode, music mode, a call mode, and voice assistant mode. One single earbud weighs only 3.7 grams. Because of its being lightweight, it is comfortable to wear too. The earbuds are so lightweight in weight. It will be also protected from sweat and water. Because it is provided with IPX5 all-around water-resistant and sweat-proof design. That means you can do workout and hard work wearing it, and also can go to outdoor places where there will be water around you. It is also provided with high-sensitivity Hall switch control. You can use them individually or simultaneously. It is provided with an intelligent touch control system. And at number 4, the earbud is Soundpeats Sonic Bluetooth Wireless Earbuds. It adopted advanced Bluetooth 5.2 and is provided with a built-in high-tech QCC 3040 chipset. The earbuds are compatible with all the Bluetooth devices enabled with Bluetooth 4.0 or above. It will provide you true wireless enjoyment with seamless connection and lower consumption. At a time, either you can choose it to hear music or you can choose it for calls. You can switch freely between single and twin modes. It will provide you an unparalleled audio feast. The reason behind this is it is provided with low-frequency enhancement technology. It is also provided with the latest aptX adaptive audio decoding technology which delivers fantastic immersive sound with powerful bass. You will also able to experience a whole new world of crystal clear phone calls. It is combined with Qualcomm Clear Voice Capture noise reduction functionality. You can take these earbuds wherever you want and enjoy music for a long time because it offers up to 15 hours of playtime on a single full charge. Its pocket-sized charging case supports up to 2 full charges for the earbuds. The charging case extends playtime up to 35 hours. Another amazing thing is it takes only 1.5 hours to charge the case with Type-C quick charge. These earbuds are provided with advanced true wireless mirroring technology that aims to maximize connection stability. It also reduces the audio interruption under poor radio frequency circumstances. That's why you will be able to feel no signal loss or music dropouts during listening and calling. No matter you are situated indoors or outdoors. You will also get game mode which minimizes the delay to ensure the synchronization of the game audio and picture, which will give you a great gaming experience. You will have to triple tap on the multi-function button on the left earbud to enter the game mode. Its sensitive button provides more precise control for what you want. You will have to softly tap on the earbud to skip songs, adjust volume, answer or reject calls, and to activate Siri without picking up the phone. It is also provided with an in-ear ergonomic design and also provided 3 different sizes of ear tips, which will bring you a comfortable wearing experience. And at number 3, the best earbud is Baseus B51 Wireless Earbuds. You will be able to enjoy 2 different modes with this device. In those modes, one of them is deep noise cancellation and another one is the ambient sound mode. You can switch between them simply by tapping the right earphone for 3 times. And that is how you can allow yourself to only listen to what you want to hear. It is provided with active noise cancellation and which is optimized with a noise reduction algorithm. It is also provided with digital signal processor processing chips. It is provided with advanced audio coding or in sub-band codec high-quality decoding for nicer sound than CDs. It is also provided with 10mm neodymium magnet moving coils. It is also provided with a well-balanced triple frequency. It is manufactured with wireless version 5.1, which is more stable, more accurate, and faster in connection. It is also provided with low power consumption and has no stutter. You will get a stable connection because it is provided with laser direct structuring, which provided a stable connection. It is also provided with low interference, strong signal penetration, and a wide signal range. Surprisingly, it is provided with all of these without occupying circuit space. You can easily connect and disconnect the earbuds with each other. When you will open the lid, it will be ready to use after the automatic connection. You can simply triple tap the right earphone to disable active noise cancellation, double tap the right earphone to play or pause. Double tap the left earphone to activate Voice Assistant or Siri. Long press the left earphone to go to the previous song, long press the right earphone to go to the next song. You can also double-click the left or right earphone to answer or hang up. Long press the left or right button for 2 seconds to reject a call. It can balance the pressure inside and outside the ear to avoid stuffiness because the front and rear cavities of earphones are with 108-degree elevation angle. It won't feel so heavy and won't feel like a burden to you, because each of the earphones is as light as 3.5 grams. It is designed to fit different ear canals and to make it hard to drop because it is provided with 3 sizes of soft silicone ear tips. And at second place, the earbud is Soundcore Anker Life A2. It is provided with superior noise-canceling technology with multiple noise-detecting microphones. It is high time that you will be able to optimize your listening experience whether you are inside, outside, or on the go. You will get 11mm transducers that will deliver big bass beats. And you will be able to enjoy music with the quality bass sound. You will be able to enjoy ear-jumping beats without doing compromise with clarity and treble. Its incredible sound is even loved by 20 million plus peoples, which proves its quality. Your voice will be heard loud and clear because it is provided with a noise-canceling microphone array. These are wireless earbuds that are provided with extending battery life with quick charge technology. It gives about 35 hours of playtime. It is included with a huge array of ear tips and ear wings for wireless earbuds with a superior fit. You will be able to enjoy this for a longer time without any discomfort. You will be able to take control of the sound profile and more via the app, which is available in the App Store and Google Play. You can listen to music with both the earbud, or you will be also able to use either of the wireless earbuds to listen independently in the mono mode. You won't have to worry about sweat and rain. That means you will be able to enjoy worry-free listening in any place. Because it is provided with IPX5 resistance. It is provided with a high-quality fast charging ability that you will have to charge this device for only 10 minutes to enjoy 1.5 hours of listening. And at number 1, the best earbud is JBL C230 True Wireless Earbuds. You will get more stable and clearer sound quality because it is provided with advanced Bluetooth 5.0 wireless technology. You will be able to talk with peoples in HD mode. With its built-in HD microphone, you have to click once for HD calling. It is featured with a portable metal charging box, which is made of high-strength aluminum alloy to easily charge the headphones at any time. You can take the charging case with you every time you go out and will be able to enjoy 24 hours of battery life. You can take this out with you if you want. Because it features a high-strength material housing that weighs only 5.9 grams. You can do the workout with it and can take it with you in environments where there is water around. Because it can resist water and provide IPX4 water resistance. You won't have to worry about starting its Bluetooth feature. Because its battery compartment auto starts headphones with Bluetooth connection for easy connection. Don't forget to subscribe. And I request you please share this video.